What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up in this video. Today, we're gonna be going into a client's backyard and checking out a motorized mantle mount. How cool is that? I hope you guys are excited. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a ring. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, as well as a free design service, so we can help you guys out with creating your dream system. All right, let's get into it. Safety first, guys. With COVID still going on, I do want to let you guys know that we always show up to your door with a mask on, regardless of if you want us to have it on or not, and then you can decide your personal preference. But we take the COVID and safety very seriously, so everybody will be wearing a mask. We really appreciate y'all's business. All right, guys, we are now in the client's backyard, and I'll have to say, this thing is sick. This came out last year, CEDIA 2019, and I made a video on it. And we've been installing them throughout the nation, but I haven't had the opportunity to actually record one. So this is very exciting. You guys know we've made tons of videos on the mantle mounts where you just pull them down with your hand. Well, this is the next level. You don't have to do anything other than just hit one button and then boom. It does everything for you. Look at this. So you can see, like, on this patio, there's really not a good place to put the TV. So up here was where we decided to put it, but it drops down into place so that you get a better viewing area, so you're not breaking your neck to view it. And then to top it off, we did the SunBrite outdoor TV. You guys know SunBrite outdoor TVs are definitely our choice, and we use them constantly on outdoor setups. They have the Veranda series, Signature series, and Pro series, all for different applications. This is just the Veranda series. The Veranda series is perfect for applications like this, where it's completely covered, but you still want to protect it from the moisture and the humidity in the air, as well as it can still get rained on, but you just don't want it in direct sunlight. The other big benefit to SunBrite TVs is the fact that they are brighter, much brighter than an indoor TV. So, you know, the added benefit of the peace of mind knowing that you don't have to replace the TV every, you know, few months. You know, it's kind of a crapshoot normally whenever you throw an indoor TV outside. And then the fact that it's, I would say, 4 times brighter than an indoor TV on average, two to four times, is huge, because when the sun's beating and you're in the pool, you know, over here hanging out, you need it. You need the brightness if you're actually going to be able to view it and it look good. So this is pretty sweet, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the it coming down one more time. And what's really cool is it's not just coming down. You can also, if you look at the remote here, it has the option for taking it left and right. So up, down, left, right, and then you can have presets. So you can save your favorite positions. Like, for example, they have M1 and M2. In this situation, M1 is just facing towards us right here. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna take you guys up close and personal so you can check it out. I mean, it's a pretty massive mount. Check it out. Look at that hydraulic arm. And then we got surge protection on it as well. This is like the unit that allows everything to operate. Mantle mount. This is the MM860, guys. All right, cool beans. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. This is just one of the products that we have to offer. We offer a free design service when you call in, so we'd be happy to help you out in creating your dream system that fits your exact needs and budget. We really appreciate y'all's support. All right, well, for now, this is a wrap on the mantle mount, the motorized mantle mount. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.